In this video, I'll show you how to add a device on Amazon Prime Video. Now, when we say add a device, I'm pretty much just talking about TV and maybe Fire Stick. As any other device, all you need to do is just download Prime Video or go to the Prime Video website and sign in. That's literally it. However, if you want to add a device like a TV, the steps are completely different. So what you want to do is go to the top right to your profile icon on whatever device you are signed in, be it your phone or your computer like I am here. And we're going to go to the top right to our profile icon, just hover over it and click on Account Settings. Now that's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. What you want to then do is go to Devices, register a new device, and here you'll see a section that says Registration Code. This is what you're going to get from your TV. So when you download Amazon on your TV from whatever store you have, what it's then going to provide you with is a code that looks like this the moment you open the app. And all you're going to do is input that code and then hit register device. And that'll immediately sign you in on that device. And that is all that you need to do. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.